Hi guys, let's clean my living room together. One thing I enjoy about cleaning is that it is very therapeutic and I find it very peaceful. Although when I was filming this video, I had so many thoughts about giving up, just because it's one thing to clean, but it's another thing to like clean and record at the same time, and then when you're done you have like multiple clips to like edit. And so I gave up multiple times, guys. So but it's all good. I'm happy that we're here now, and hopefully this video inspires you and motivates you to want to get up and clean your home, because that is the reason, that is the intent behind this video, to motivate people to get up and clean their homes and be productive, right? So yeah, you all, please, it's a lot of hard work that goes into putting these videos together, recording, editing and publishing this video, and it's a lot of hard work. So it will mean so much to me if you watch this video to the end and also subscribe and share this video as well. Let's motivate each other. That is the whole vibe, that is the intent of this video, to motivate each other, right? So yeah, get up, get your cleaning tools and let's get to work. Okay, I'm gonna also play some cool music in the background, so that's just to set the tone of this video. And yeah, just get your cleaning tools, please get it and start cleaning. Play this video in the background while you're cleaning and